This is actually a meeting of the BOT of which I am a member. I'm only a member of the BOT. And when my chairman talks, I'm not supposed to say anything. But since these allegations have persisted, I want to take this opportunity to clear the air. When the first allegation was made, I decided not to respond because we don't want to encourage altercations in the party. However, I want to make it clear that at no time did I, as the national chairman of this party, collect any 1 billion naira from anybody. When we came in and the party had funding difficulties, the current presidential candidate suggested that the party should take a loan of 1 billion from the bank. And the owner of that bank also was an influential member of the party. He has left the party now. But when we discussed with him, we discarded the idea of taking a loan. And the party never took any loan or any money from anybody. And I, as a person, never collected 1 billion from anybody. Any money advanced to the party was declared before the National Working Committee and handed over to the treasurer of the party. The party's accounts are straight, they are up to date, and we promise to present the party's accounts at the end of the year. On today's allegation, luckily, I had fully briefed the BOT that one of our governors made a contribution of 100 million for the revival of the People's Democratic Institute, which was housed in the Porter cabin. And I explained to them that we hired an appropriate place in Asokoro, we have renovated it and we have furnished it. 2 or 3 days ago, we went there to inspect the place. And the National Working Committee decided that even before commissioning, we should invite the governor in question to come and inspect what we have done with his contribution. I'm happy to state that the National Secretary of the party has since written a letter to that governor. The party, either I or the National Working Committee, never took any party money to carry out the renovation. In fact, we have not even exhausted that 100 million, which was donated by one of the governors. The consistent attack on my person since the end of the convention on 31st of May, I have refrained from reacting. As the father of the party, I felt I should encourage reconciliation. But where it touches on my personal integrity, or which even my own family members are brought into play, I appeal to such people to desist from trying to malign my character or bringing my family into party affairs. I never collected 1 billion from anybody, and the 100 million that was donated by one of the governors was judiciously used for the purpose that it was given. And in the next few weeks, we'll be inviting all party leaders including members of the press, to come forward for the commission of the People's Democratic Institute. Thank you very much.